Hi everybody, this is Eve double TKV Efalipingalokal. I'm a female artist located at Kayelicha 7784. And since you all have been interested in knowing about me, this is me giving out a bit info about myself. So let's hop on and go. Okay, I would say that Eve is that Barbie girl who's so into having fun. She doesn't care, I would say that. Eve is all about having a lot of freedom around her. Okay, she doesn't want to be controlled. I would say that. And Eve, I would say, is that kind of girl who's like, I want it, I'm gonna go for it. And Eve, in a lot of cases, she's always careless because also if she does something without checking, like, okay, at the end of the day, what difficulties I'll be facing after doing it. And Eve is wild, like, there's a mind only. Okay, I would say that's the character of Eve. Okay, even if she knows that she wants this type of thing, but at the end of the day, she's like, I'm gonna do it, okay, without checking like what would happen after it. Okay, so I would say whoever is that serious person. Okay, whoever means business. She doesn't beg, she doesn't even want to be begged. Okay, whoever I would say she puts her music first. Okay, and if you're not talking about money, then don't call me because I won't answer. If it's about money, if it's about putting herself on the top, putting like herself there, you see, whoever is about showing that she's capable, and whoever has power, whoever means all. Okay, whoever controls. Okay, whoever is that woman sometimes can be seen to be vicious, like that girl sometimes who always put that serious mask. But whoever at the end of the day means business and don't mess with you. There's a huge difference between Eve and Whoever, but I would say the similarity between them is music. They both like do music, okay? They both like have the same goal to be at the top and be inspiration. But the difference between them is that the other one is full of being childish, and that's Eve. Eve just wants to have fun. She wants to party, not besides that specifically like partying, but to Eve is literally based on having fun. Okay, she doesn't care. Eve is that girl. But on the other side, whoever is serious, okay, she knows if I want to do it, I must do it. And whoever believes in forcing things for them like to be accomplished, because if whoever is that type of girl, if we say we're doing it today and we don't, then tomorrow we won't. On fish next week we won't do it again. Even next month, even next year, so we won't totally do it. So whoever is about making things happen, okay, by full force. I would say that's the difference between them, and the similarity between them is like the music and having like the same goal and passion. The name of the EP is Power of Effort. As I said, there's Eve, there's Whoever. Eve is based on having fun. Yeah, she does music. Whoever does music too, but Whoever believes in power. Like, if you want it, get it. That's why I said like the name of the EP will be Power of Effort. Like, I'm showing the side of mine whereby I'm being serious, okay? Sending the message to people, okay? Letting people like hear about me more through my music, okay? So whoever literally, because abantu, a lot of people have manalandwa ngoba okay emnyezweni whoever what is okanye abile yonke lonto and stuff. I would say yonke lento qala emnyezweni to prove that like Adam was weak when it comes to women. Like Adam knew God said that do not eat of this tree. But when whoever came and make it no masike, Adam did. So that shows that women do have that upper hand. And here, this is me showing people that my own Adam is my music, my craft, everything I do, what I think, what I can create with my own hands, it's my Adam. It's my Adam. So I'm here like showing people that okay, like whoever, okay, I'm capable of doing this, okay, whoever is capable. So that's why the EP title is based on the power of Eva, because the man like Eva at any day. So yeah. That's simple. The alter ego is whoever, okay. It's whoever, like even the way I am, the way I present myself, my style, the way I talk, like it's whoever, okay? Like I'm in that like mode whereby I'm serious, okay? I don't want anything messing around, okay? I don't want anything messing up with my energy or anything. I'm just choosing to be serious, okay? I just want to be capable. I want to do things, accomplish them, okay? So I would say I'm whatever because I'm done with playing. I just at this period I don't want to play. I just want to be serious, okay? I gotta chase the bag. So that's why I said if you're not talking about money, then don't holler at me or talk to me because my ears literally get deaf at some point when you're not mentioning the movie. That's F. If you can check here to the name that says BOHO, is creativity, productivity, and art. The name BOHO, like the name BOHO, it contains a lot because BOHO is creativity, productivity, and art. And if you can check like the BOHO style and go like into getting like a lot of information about it, you can see that BOHO is a Jamaican style mixed with Nigerian style, okay? And that's a very very beautiful thing, okay? So as for a woman, a girl like to wear that style, it's so interesting. And for me, since I'm trying to like showcase this alter ego of mine, so I decided it would be a better thing to be different because a lot of females in the industry are used to like wearing like these late trends of these outfits showing up their bodies and everything. I decided, okay, it's fine, let me do it the other different way, let me do it a different way, like a way in a style that that's so interesting. So I've noticed, okay, BOHO is one of the style that fits like perfectly on me because it has tanned, okay? And I've been seeing like a lot of females, okay, like like okay, this is a style, and I'm literally even like my role model is Obio or your baby, a Nollywood actress, okay? So I was like, okay, let me try it because for the past months, I think past month or maybe last year, she shot her first epic movie on Nollywood, and she was like dressed like this. I was like, okay, you know what, let me try it because I'm so in love with Nigerian style and I watched those movies. So I was like, you know what, Ipoho style would be a go-getter style for me. Thank you. Okay guys, this is Eve but in whatever mode. Thank you all for watching, okay, and make sure you stay tuned because I have a lot of content that's coming up on the way. Make sure to follow me on my social platforms. I'm available on Facebook. I have a page and it's Eve. I'm also available on TikTok. You can also get me on Instagram. That's where I post a lot of content, and I'm Eve Adams. Soon when I'm dropping my EP, it would be available on all social platforms, so make sure you go there and get it when it's out. Thank you.